Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I want to give a shout out to Rebecca Martin, fucking Grace Betch, Bella Janae, I'm sorry if I say any of these wrong, Carla Guman, I'm sorry if that is wrong. You are so welcome to cuss me out. Tattooed Mama, I think her videos are amazing. I have watched several of these women's videos, but I just recently watched Tattooed Mama's review on the Juvia's Place foundation, so if you want to find out what she thinks of that, head over to her channel. And Michelle Leanne, you should go check out her channel. She is a newer YouTuber that has just blossomed out. I think she's somewhere around 400 or 500 subscribers right now, even though she just started in March, and her videos are great. She's too shy to talk in any of them, so you've got to go over there and give her the thumbs up and comment and tell her that she needs to talk through some of her videos, because I think she'd be great. She also films with her husband. Her husband does some of their videos. He's learning to do makeup, which I think is so sweet that he's learning to do something she loves so that they can spend time together doing things that they can grow and bond from. But yeah, go and check out some of those channels, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, I'm going in super blind. I don't want to put my contacts in today. My eyes are killing me. I got really bad allergies, so I'm not even gonna attempt the contacts today. I don't know if you could tell in my last video, I'm stuffy. Can't breathe. It's not a good situation. We're gonna be doing a cut crease. I can't see anything. Of course. I'm gonna take this color right there. I'm gonna take it on the outer corner, into the crease, into the inner corner, like so. We kind of want like a half moon shape basically, because we're just going into the crease, like so. I cannot see a damn thing. If this doesn't come out pretty, you'll know why. Now I want a smaller blending brush. I'm going to go into this red ochre, like that. Again, into the intercorners. I need to clean my brushes. I should do that tonight. I just don't want to. We're going to go into a little of raw sienna, like that. I'm blending it up, kind of giving it a little shape. Just kind of making sure everything's kind of cohesive. Just like that. Go back into this guy. We're gonna go back into this guy. I really want the new Anastasia palette. That looks so fun. The bright hot pink one. I'm gonna go back into this. And it's just gonna blend a little bit more. Just like that. So we've basically just kind of smoked it out a little bit and given it a little shape. We're going to take this Ciate liquid shadow in Cupid. We're going to basically cut our crease. I can't see how even this is because again I'm not wearing my contacts, but we're just going to swipe it across like that. Keep your eye fairly closed so it can dry. I assume that's pretty good. I'm looking in the mirror, but I can't 100% tell. But we're going to go back into this color, like that. I'm going to take a little bit more of that red ochre. I can't really tell what I'm doing, so hopefully it's right. Hopefully it's what I'm envisioning, but I don't know. We're going to give ourselves a little liner. can't tell if my eyeliner is like perfectly straight. Again, I can't really see. So we're just gonna trust that it is. I think it is. I don't know. I can't really tell. We're gonna prime. Conceal, don't feel. Be the man you have to be. I don't even know what that's from. I'm sure it'll pop in my head later, but stuff is super thick. But I'm only gonna put just a little bit right there. We're still working on it. I'm working on the ratio. Powder. We won't even talk about that. I know that's bad. I can't see what I'm doing, but I know how dark it is. The mirror is a lot closer to me than it was in my no glasses challenge. So we're just taking the leftover from what was already on my brush, like that. And I know it's kind of harsh for me anyway. We want like a natural shadow from where it looks like it's just shaped that way. So we're going to take our bronzer, soften up the edges. Just like that, just soften up all of our contour a little bit by giving us like a little tan. I'm sweating so bad right now. Oh no, I don't know if you can see it. For this, we're going in a little blind. I'm going to take this blush that I've been using and go into that guy. And I suppose I should fix my eyebrows. And I can't see anything, so I've already got a headache and I have not done anything. It is actually like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. My allergies are killing me. I thought I got lucky this year because I hadn't gotten them. Well, surprise is on me because they came full force too. I can't. This eyebrow looks crooked, but so does this one. I might actually be sweating in here because there's no air. Like, circulating air. Hold on. You guys are going to have to deal with it. Just a second. My camera randomly stopped recording and I'm pretty sure I didn't make it to 25 minutes, so I don't know what I missed. But we'll see how I did later. Mascara. This is Velvet Room. Forgot what this one looked like, honestly. Quickly turning into a fall look, but I don't care. Alright guys, I know it's a little vampy, especially with the lip color. Alright guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.